we will be recording this event, so then I hope that everybody is fine with that. And good afternoon and welcome all of you. I'll not be very much formal because we know each other, and we are a good friend. This is we wanted to do this holy event
Good afternoon.
in a small group outside. We were hopeful that things will be better, but unfortunately we still have to do this kind of events in a virtual form. Of course, this is the first social event of 2021 where we were expecting to meet up and with our families like we did last year 20 in 2019. uh, Nonetheless, it's important that we take out our time in this I would say lockdown period where we all are using these devices only for our I would say work and office purpose, staying on Zoom calls, go to meeting calls, team meetings, so that's we make use of uh, this feature also for social interaction, and making sure that we don't forget all the festivities which we have during this period. And that's where we wanted to make sure as a chapter, Netherlands chapter of ICAI, to make sure that we our community, CA community here in Netherlands, would also be able to make a small event interaction on the occasion of this holy festival. So I welcome all of you and thank you all of you for able to join on the Sunday afternoon, and your enthusiasm. We have tried to make this event as interesting and interactive for all of us, fun filled. So we'll hope that next 2 hours you all will have a good a good holy event. I take this opportunity also to thank all of you who have continuously supporting us for last few years, and this year also you have supported by contributing your membership fees for 2021. This only adds to our commitment and dedication, enthusiasm to do organize nice good events for all of us, which can help us to not only to stay together, come together, interact together, but also to I would say enlighten or on various subjects which we are all connected in a different fields here in Netherlands. So thanks all of you to who have paid their membership fees and supporting us. We would try our best during this year to ensure that we live up to expectation from all of you. And now I request Ashok to take over. He has been Devasis and Ashok have been made a good nice plan for next 1.5 hours for all of us. So Ashok, over to you, and I wish all of you again once again a happy Holi, and enjoy this afternoon. Ashok, please, let's start with
Thank you.
the fun. Let's the fun begin. Yeah.
I
Yes.
hope family members, I thought, are also welcome to join.
Yes, I am joined by my whole family here. So please,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay.
yeah. So
Okay.
yes, my kids are also here. So just yeah, go to come
Oh,
this
great,
side.
great, great.
Hi. Hi, Ritwik.
Hello.
So he is also excited
How are
to
you?
sing, but later during this
ইয়ালি
event. Yeah.
ইয়ালি আসো না জয়েন করতে একটু
Where this?
এমনি
No.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে তাহলে চলে এসো ওই 4:10 মধ্যে চলে এসো
Yeah, so shall we start?
Yes, we should
Yeah.
start. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Uh, yeah, thanks a lot, Prashantji, for a very nice welcome message, and welcome once again all the members. So we'll begin this session with a very quick icebreaker session all around, where we can know all the fellow members who are there and other members who are not being able to be part of this event due to some reason. So quickly, I'll tell you the rules of the game. You will see a slide one by one describing the member, when this member has cleared the CA exam, what is this member's overall experience, what is the member's hobby, and then you'll have to guess the name of the member. You can guess the name of the member by typing the name according to you from the given option in the chat box. And there are two rules. One, you cannot write your own name. Second, every member should write at least one name. Okay, so let's start.
Yes.
Do we know the gender of the member?
No, that we have to guess.
Yeah, but I think the questions are good enough for you to get an idea of who the member is we are talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite easy actually. Okay, so this is the first question.
So this member's favorite holiday destination is Fiji. He's living in Netherlands from last 3 years, and he or she likes to play football and watching matches.
I don't see the full screen underneath the third row. I can't see it.
Sorry?
The third row, the names in the third row.
Yeah, I call out the name. It's Nikita Agrawal, Raghav Malpani, Akshay Gupta, Vikas Chaturvedi.
So why do
you can see?
So you can go ahead and give your answers.
Yeah, you
now.
can start typing the name in the chat box.
There is no need to talk to them. Switch off your camera.
Let's go. We are still waiting for.
Yeah, we're still waiting for everyone to give answer. We do have a.
We do have one correct answer. Yes.
Yeah. Should we reveal the name of the member?
I think we'll just give 10 seconds for anybody else who wants to answer quickly.
Hardik's name is not there. Somebody wrote Hardik.
No, Hardik's name. They are going out of syllabus, I think.
We have to write from these names, right? 336.
Yes. These are our options. Yes. So I think we'll first correct answer.
Okay, only from this. Okay.
Only from this name. Okay, because you have the list. Hardik, so that's what I was. I was also searching. Hardik here. First, I also thought the same.
So we can have this first question as a trial question, and then from next you can probably give the answer from the selected option. So the answer to the first question is
Varun Agarwal. Varun is the answer to the first question.
And
right.
unfortunately, Varun was not able to join us. So that's Varun's details. Let's go on to the next question, Ashok.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Yeah. So this person's favorite destination for holiday is in India. Their spouse is working in the medical sector. They've been in Netherlands for almost 4 years now. They like to read and scroll through Twitter, and they cleared their CA exams in 2002. Who am I talking about?
You can guess from the options.
Yes. Now we are clear. So you can choose one from the options.
Yeah. We'll wait for another 10 seconds.
Yeah.
But we are getting answers. Okay.
Any more guesses? Any more answers?
Okay, let's reveal it. The name of this member is
Sanjeev
Sanjeev Bedi.
Bedi. Sanjeev, would you like to just quickly say hello to everyone also?
Hi, happy Holi
Wow.
from Holland.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi. Yes, let's go on to the next question now.
Okay, so this member's favorite holiday destination is Switzerland, and this member's spouse is also a CA, and they're living in Netherlands from last 1 year. In free time, they like to cook and go for a walk, and they cleared their CA examination in 2012.
We have one very quick response. Great. Let's anyone else? Maybe 5 more seconds.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Debashish ji guessed it right.
No, yeah. I think Prashant ji was the first one to get this answer, right? It is Nidhi Joshi. That's correct.
Yeah.
Great job.
And
Nidhi is also not with
there
us right now. Yeah, she hasn't joined yet.
Okay. So we'll
Yes.
move to
I
the
think
next one.
Hardik Bhai has joined. Hardik has just joined.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hardik is here, yes.
Okay. So the next member's hobby is to run and bike. He likes to go for vacation in Norway. This member's spouse is a school teacher, and this member is living in Netherlands from last 11 years.
One of our senior members in the group.
Yeah, of course. Based on the C exam clearance here.
Great. So we have one answer. We have two answers. Any more answers? Any more answers? Yes, I think a lot of people have given the correct answer. The correct answer is Prashant ji. Great job. I think Vikas ji was the first one to get it right. Yes. Great job. Let's go on to the next one.
Let's move on. Yeah, this member's favorite destination is Venice. And this member's spouse is a homemaker. And this member is living in Netherlands from last 5 years. In free time, this member likes to watch movies and talk to friends and family.
Sorry, Prashant. Sorry. Prashant, you are giving all the answer only to other Prashant. You have to type on everyone. And that's why my answer is only going to you because you are.
Sorry, I'm so delighted by your name. I can't help it. Sorry, I will do
Yes,
that.
I know that we have a very good name, we both of us, but we need to give answer on to everyone.
I apologize. Yeah, I would do it. Yeah.
Yeah. So this question will have a different answer for sure. Yeah. You get 10 seconds to guess the member.
Yeah.
And Ashok ji guessed the name of the member correctly.
The correct answer is Govind Sharma. Govind ji is also not
Govind
here.
ji is also not there with us.
Here yet. He may join in sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, this member's favorite holiday destination is in Italy. Their spouse is a teacher. They've been in Netherlands for almost 31 years. With 5 years, they've been in and out of Netherlands. They like to participate in Rotary projects and solve Sudoku.
This is very easy.
They cleared in 1966. I think before I finish, everybody's just giving their responses. It's yeah, Ashok ji.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
Great. Ashok ji, would you also like to say hello to everyone?
Yeah, hello. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi, sir.
Happy Holi, Ashok ji.
Yes.
Yeah, here comes the next one. This member's favorite holiday destination is Spain, And this member's spouse is again CA, and he or she is living in Netherlands from 2 years. And they like to cook and listen to music, and they cleared their examination in 2011.
This may be slightly challenging for some people.
Yeah,
So we have one response already.
but that's not the correct one. Either this one. Okay, we'll wait for another. Yeah, now we do have a correct answer, and the correct answer is
Nidhi Agarwal.
Debashish ji is giving all the right answers.
I think the question paper has been leaked.
No, because the reason is that Devashish is the first contact, no, for every new CA which is coming, who is coming. So CA is a complete database.
Right.
And he has a good memory also.
No, I'm not keeping that database now. Prashant bhai, because of GDPR, no database is being kept.
GDPR doesn't apply to your brain, no?
Great. We can move on to the next next one, Ashokji.
Yes.
This person's favorite holiday destination is Africa. Their spouse is an academic director. They've been in Netherlands for almost 18 years now. They like to cook and do drone photography, and they cleared their exams in 1995. We have one answer already. Yes, I think everybody knows the right answer. I think Himanshu Shah is the right answer.
Yeah, do we have Himanshu ji in the call?
I don't think Himanshu ji has joined yet. No, I don't think so.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Great. We can move on to the next one.
This member's favorite holiday destination is Bruges.
Again, you give answer to only me.
I know, just ignore me, just ignore me.
Yeah, this member is living in Netherlands from last 5 years, and this member likes to play games and follow the stock market. And this member has cleared the C examination in 2011.
Oh, okay. Seems like a difficult question for some people today.
Yeah, but we have very less options now, so
yeah,
it would not be that
you
difficult.
have only a few options left. Maybe you can use the method of elimination to see who's not the right answer.
Yeah.
We have one correct answer so far.
Okay, let's reveal the correct answer. The
correct answer is Raghav Malpani, because you got it right. Raghav is not here with us right now. No, he's not here with us yet. We can go on to the next one.
Yeah. This member likes to go on holiday to South Africa, and this member's spouse is management consultant. This member is living in Netherlands from last 6 years, and the hobbies are cycling and listening to music. And this member has cleared the C examination in 1998.
Yeah, I think this one also we've received multiple right answers already. The correct answer is Debashish Dasgupta. Okay. Debashish ji, would you like to just say hi to everyone again?
Hi everyone, and happy Holi, the festival of colors to everyone, and let's enjoy the program. Thanks for joining the program.
Okay.
Yes. Next one.
Yeah.
Yes. This member's holiday destination is Ladakh. Their spouse works in information technology. They've been in Netherlands for almost 7 years now. They like to play cricket and play with kids, and they cleared their exams in 2003. Okay, we have one answer. Any more answers? The options are very few now, so it's easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we reveal the right answer?
Yes.
Yes, the correct answer is Satish Iyer.
Okay. Now only few members to go. This member's favorite holiday place is Spain, and this member spouse is also CA. This member is living in Netherlands from last 2 years. This member like to read and enjoy free time. It's a unique hobby, by the way. And this member cleared the C examination in 2009.
Yeah, one answer so far.
Mm-hmm. Let's reveal the correct answer.
The correct answer is Akshay Gupta. Akshay is the correct answer. Unfortunately, nobody got this question right.
Yeah. Do we have Akshay ji in the meeting?
No, I think Akshay ji has not joined yet.
Okay.
No.
Okay. We'll move on then.
Yes.
Yep.
This member is one of the most popular members, I think, of our group. Their favorite holiday destination is Maldives. Their spouse is a businesswoman. They've been living in Netherlands for almost 15 years. They like to sing very, very well, I might add, and play the piano. And they cleared their exams in 2002. Yes, the answers are already rolling in before I finish again. Vikas ji is the correct answer.
Yeah, you have unanimous answers.
Yeah.
Vikas ji.
So know your members. We know Vikas ji is one of the most known members of our group.
Vikas ji, will we get some
Namaste,
glimpse of your
namaste.
singing and piano playing talent today?
Happy Holi to everyone. May God bless all of us and the chapter. Best wishes to all of you, my friends.
Happy Holi.
Thank you, Vikas ji.
Yes, let's go to the next one.
Yeah, only 3 to go. So this member's favorite holiday destination is Portugal. This member's spouse is a housewife. And this member is living in Netherlands from last 5 years. In free time, this member likes to play cricket and table tennis. And this member has cleared the exam in 2003.
Only
This
one
was
man in the only one man in the options. So he's a housewife, spouse is a housewife. So obviously, it's Prashant ji.
We have
Yes.
one answer.
We have one answer. This was a trick question to see who's paying attention in the game, and we've realized.
I was.
Hardik bhai thinks it's Nikita.
Smart guys, smart.
Okay,
We'll move on.
Great. Let's go to the last one.
So it's 50-50, huh?
Yeah, this person's favorite holiday destination is Slovenia. Their spouse is a computer science researcher. They are fairly new to the Netherlands. It's only been a month that they've moved here. They like to swim and travel, and they've cleared their exams in 2013. Yes, any more answers? Yes, I think this is also quite a unanimous answer. Nikita is the correct answer for this. That's right. Great.
Yes.
I think that's
With
about
this-
it because we have only one more option remaining.
Yeah. So it was it would be Nikita. Do
Yeah.
we have Nikita on the call?
Yes.
Okay. Nikita, would you like to tell us about your hobbies and the criteria on which we played this game so that members also knows about you?
Yeah, get to know you.
Yeah, so as you've seen, I've like very recently moved here, and it's nice to meet fellow CA members. In fact, I chanced upon the ICA Netherlands chapter in a very strange way. I happened to connect to Hardik on LinkedIn, and he informed me and got me added to the WhatsApp group. So yeah, it's very nice to see the conversation that is going and to see that there's an extensive community here too. So yeah, that's nice.
Thank you.
Great. We would like to welcome you to the Netherlands and to our group as well on behalf of everybody here. And look forward to seeing you at our events when we actually can meet each other in person also.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So after the fun session on Know Your Members, now we'll move on, and now we'll have some special performance from some of the kids of the members. And yeah, we'll start with Shrestha Chaturvedi, daughter of our chairman Vikas Chaturvedi. So Vikas ji, should we begin with Shrestha?
Yes. Shrestha, darling, are you there? Hi,
Hello.
Shrestha. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
So
All right, Shrestha, over to you.
I'll be performing
You-
here.
you-
Hum Nawa Mere. So I'll just start. है हम नवा मुझे अपना बना ले, सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। हुआ अकेला जरा हाथ बढ़ा दे। सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। कब से मैं दर दर फिर रहा मुसाफिर दिल को पनाह दे। तू आवारगी को मेरी आज ठहरा दे। हो सके तो थोड़ा प्यार जता दे। सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। मुरझाई सी शौख पे दिल की फूल खिलते हैं क्यों। बात गुलों की जिक्र महक का अच्छा लगता है क्यों। उन रंगों से तूने मिलाया जिनसे कभी मैं मिल ना पाया। दिल करता है तेरा शुक्रिया फिर से बाहर तू ला दे। दिल का सुना बंजर महका दे। सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। हुआ अकेला जरा हाथ बढ़ा दे। सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। तेरे नाम वैसे तो मौसम गुजरे हैं जिंदगी में कई। पर अब ना जाने क्यों मुझे वो लग रहे हैं हंसी। तेरे आने पर जाना मैंने कहीं ना कहीं जिंदा हूँ मैं। जीने लगा हूँ मैं अब ये फिजाएं चेहरे को छूती हवाएं। इनकी तरह दो कदम तो बढ़ा ले। सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। हुआ अकेला जरा हाथ बढ़ा दे। सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस जमी को भिगा दे। Thank you.
Excellent.
Nice.
Please give a round of
Very
applause
very good.
for,
Very nice, very nice, Krishna. Very well.
Very nice voice.
Yeah.
thank you.
Well
And
done.
before we move on, I would request everyone to please switch on their cameras so that we all can see each other.
I think this is the closest to face-to-face meetings we can have these days. So it would be nice to see everybody.
No, and we want to take a picture. Our picture will not come good if there are few faces are
Yeah.
missing.
Let's take a picture.
Yes,
Let's take a
great.
picture.
Yes.
Smiling faces.
Somebody take a picture when all are on the screen.
Yeah. Hardik bhai, Nidhi,
Ashok
Raghav
bhai,
ji.
take a picture, please.
Yeah.
राघव
You're doing it.
तुम स्मार्ट दिख रहे हो यार. अभी तक क्यों बंद करके रखा था कैमरा?
सर अभी बाहर से आया तो थोड़ा
फेस वॉश करके एकदम आप लोगों के लिए रेडी हो गया।
अभी तो स्मार्ट दिख रहे हो, 1 साल के बाद भी, डोंट वरी, यू आर नॉट पुट ऑन।
Thank you, thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great. Everybody say cheese.
Yo.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. But keep your cameras on as well. It would be nice to see everyone here.
Yeah. Okay, so after the performance of talented daughter of our chairman ji, now it's turn to present a talented son of our vice chairman, Prashant ji. So Ritvik will perform in front of you. Hi,
Hey,
Ritvik.
Ritvik.
Hi,
Come
Ritvik.
on.
Go for it, Ritvik.
Hello everyone. On the occasion of Holi celebration, I am singing a bhajan of Lord Krishna. I hope you will enjoy it.
Yeah, start.
Yes.
Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम वल्लभम। कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं, बैर शबरी की जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बैर शबरी की जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहता है भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहता है भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम।
Excellent.
Superb, superb. Thank
Well
you so
done,
much.
Ritvik. Well done.
Great. Thank you so much, Ritvik.
Superb. Very
Thank you,
nice.
Very nice, very
That
nice.
was amazing. Yes, after Ritvik, we have the talented daughter of my co-host here. Mahi will perform for us as well. Mahi, are you here?
From Mumbai.
Yes, from Mumbai.
Yeah.
So we have international performances happening today.
Just excuse the sound little bit.
Okay, great. Mahi, the stage is yours.
Unmute. Unmute, please. Hansaji.
My name is Manipati and I'm 6 years old and I study in senior KG.
to say something, Mahi?
That's great.
Very good.
That's super. Thank you so much, Mahi.
Excellent, excellent.
Excellent,
super.
Mahi. Well done.
Excellent.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we would also like to invite any other talented kids of the members who would like to perform or show the talent. We have time for that, so please let us know if someone wants to volunteer.
Any impromptu performances? No. No, I don't think we have any volunteers right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So moving on.
Yeah.
So we have a special performance from a talented band from Netherlands, and also a couple of games. One is the Pictionary and then the Evergreen Tombola. So before we move on, should we break for 5 minutes and then we'll reassemble? So we can have a quick 5 minutes break and then again we'll reassemble for rest of the program. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Also,
Okay.
Yeah.
हेलो हाँ बोलिए हाँ यू
Welcome back.
Yes, guys. Well done so far. Very well done so far.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vikas ji. Just want to remind everyone, in case they have not sent their Tombola tickets yet, please do so as soon as possible, so you can also be part of the game.
Yeah, so as Ashraf said, you guys can still send your ticket for Tombola on the WhatsApp group. And this time it would be interesting the combination of prizes which we have kept for the game. So it would be a very fun game of Tombola. And we will also have a game called Pictionary, and it is also going to be very interesting. And yeah, so that would be followed. But before that, we will have a special performance from a band called Arbed. Arbed is an alternative rock band formed in Netherlands. And this band was formed with musicians from diverse and unique backgrounds. And this actually reflects in the distinct flavor of their music. This band was formed by Soham, Milton, Saptarshi, and Shabab. Today we will have Saptarshi and Milton who will be performing a few of their original songs and also some other famous songs. They'll be joining us in next 2 to 3 minutes. Ashraf?
Yeah, 2 to 3 minutes should be.
Yeah. So then, yeah, by the time the other members will also join, and we'll have that special performance.
Right.
Yeah, if any of the members have joined after the beginning of the session or in between, they can introduce themselves to the group. If they've not done in the beginning, because we had a very good ice-breaking session, know your members. So if someone has missed that, they can come forward and introduce themselves.
Hello, everyone. I think I can go. I missed the first part, the intro part. So I would like to introduce myself. First of all, sorry for being late. I'm Raghav Malpani. I'm living in Netherlands for 5 years. I'm a 2011 CA pass out and currently working with Douwe Egberts in the financial planning and analysis team. I live in Diemen with my wife. And yeah, wish everyone very happy Holi in advance.
Thank you, Raghav. Happy Holi to you as well.
Thank you.
Your name has showed up on our Know Your Members screen as well, and quite a few people did get the right answer. So you are well known also in the group. Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting that everyone knows that I love Bruj.
Maybe I can also introduce myself. Yes,
Hi,
Satish.
Satish.
Yeah, hi. So my name is Satish. I live in Netherlands now for almost 7 years, so I can speak Klein beetje Netherlands. I am a father of twins who are just 2.5-year-old, and I cleared my chartered accountancy in 2003. So I think 99% of time of my career, no, I spent working in information technology. So for me, IT is not income tax, but information technology. Very full involved in doing all IT levels implementation. I've been working in Capgemini now for about 10 years and still continue to work with them. I joined the CA group last year. I was introduced by Harish. Yeah, so I joined the Diwali one, and this one was Holi. So it's quite a nice interactive sessions. So I wish everyone and their family a happy Holi, and hopefully once this pandemic is over, we can have a nice Holi with lots of drinks. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Satish. We wish you a happy
Thank you.
Holi as well. You and your family.
Where do you live, Satish?
I live in Amstelveen.
Okay.
Okay. Prashant Toshniwal, you can also introduce yourself if you do not mind.
Oh, okay, sorry, I was taking some wafers. So I was a bit noisy. Hello, everyone. Thanks, Devashish. So I have been in Netherlands now for last 5 years, and the way the earlier speaker Satish said, for me, again, I have been throughout my career. I have been a part of IT, ERP implementations, and consolidation application systems. So that is what I have been doing, and I've really enjoyed Netherlands for the last 5 years, and it has been fun being part of this group. Yeah, and hope to meet each one of you once we are in a stable situation, and wish you all a very, very happy Holi and a colorful Eve.
Yeah, thank you,
so much,
Prashant,
Prashant.
and wish you the same.
Wish you a happy Holi as well.
Yeah, hopefully the next big event, Diwali event, we will have in person. So keeping the finger crossed.
Right. So one question is the Satish, the earlier speaker. He was in Capgemini Canon for some time.
No,
Satish?
yeah, you are right, Prashant. So
No, you're the same guy. Okay.
I'm the same guy. Yeah. Okay. Of course, there are 7 people like me in this world, but I am the same guy.
Nice seeing you. Nice seeing you. Yeah.
Same here. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the singers are just joining us. They are facing some technical issues, so Debashish is just checking with them. They'll be with us.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we have not introduced ourselves on those criteria, Ashraf. Let's do that. Why don't you start first?
All right, great. So, hi, my name is Ashraf. My favorite holiday destination is Spain. I really want to go to Spain sometime in the future once the pandemic is gone. I've been in Netherlands for 2 years now. It's been 2 years and 2 days actually. I just completed 2 years on the 19th of March. Yeah, I cleared my chartered accountancy in 2014. And what were the other questions? Yeah, in my free time, I love playing football and I like to read as well.
And what is the profession of your spouse?
And I am not married, so that question is not applicable for me.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashok ji, you can go.
Yeah, so I'm living in Netherlands from September 2019, almost 1.5 years. And I cleared my CA in November 2010. My spouse is from the pharmacy background. She has done bachelor's in pharmacy, and you have already seen my lovely daughter Mahi. And I have another daughter, Vianney. She was born last year in March. So and they are going to join me soon next month, and looking forward for it. And I work for PwC as a senior manager in accounting advisory division. And yeah, my favorite destination is Goa, back in India. Yeah. So now we have the special guest with us, and we can start with their performance. Yeah. So presenting you the Arbid.
Welcome.
Hi all.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
Very good afternoon to you, whoever is in Europe.
Can you hear us properly?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Loud and clear.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good. I just wanted to say a few things about Arbid, just just very short in a minute. So we are a band based in Netherlands. We have this band for almost a year now, and it's sort of like we have different members. So the three of us are from India. We are majorly Bengali, so three of us are from Calcutta. We have one guy who's the drummer, and we actually met him here. He's Shabab. He's from Bangladesh. So generally, we met together when we were actually practicing for a show that we had last year, and our music actually clicked because we shared the same interests. So that's how it all started. So that's the history of our band. We do Bengali original songs and as well as Hindi covers and original songs. We released a song just a few months ago, 2 months ago to be precise. It's a Bengali original song from our band. So it's in YouTube. So you can check out our channel if you want. But yeah, thank you for this opportunity. And Milton, you have anything to add? Oh, this is Milton, by the way. He's the guitarist.
By the way, I'm really intrigued because for this association, because I'm also from a commerce background, but accounting background. Was also working in a bank here in accounting division. But yeah, of course, like I did ACCA, not the chartered accounting, but of course I was part of it, of a journey till Inter. So yeah, it's also really great to be associated with such a forum here in Netherlands as well, in Europe.
Yeah, definitely. So just a quick mention, Milton is our guitarist. I'm Saptarshi. I'm the vocalist and keyboardist, and we also have Shoam, who is not here as of this moment. He's the bassist, and Shabab, who is the drummer. So we'll start off. So we have so 3 or 4 songs that we'll sing, and the first one is we love old Hindi songs. So this is an old song, but very close to our hearts, and most probably you would have heard of it, and I hope you enjoy our take on it. Yeah.
Is it sounding okay?
Can you guys hear the guitar and my voice at the same time?
Very well, very well. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So there you go.
दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा जो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे, दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा जो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे, एक दिन आएगा प्यार हो जाएगा, ओहो मैं आग दिल
लगा दूंगा जो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे। सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में, गिर जाओगे और मेरी परछाइयों में। सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में, गिर जाओगे और मेरी परछाइयों में। दिल मचल जाएगा, प्यार हो जाएगा, पर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे। मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा जो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे, कि पल में पिघल जाओगे, कि पल में पिघल जाओगे।
Great.
Wow.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Thank you. Thanks. So we'll move on to our next song. I heard from Devashish that this is mainly, it has a theme of Holi behind this. So we thought we'll do a little bit of mashup. And it's basically a mashup of both a modern and old song, and it's in our way of presenting it. So hope you like it. रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, 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 रंग बरसे। इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है, तुमने भांग में क्या मिलाया। इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है, तुमने भांग में क्या मिलाया। ओ तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई, मंचली चाल कैसे नवाबी हो गई। तो बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी, तो सीधी साधी गोरी शराबी हो गई। हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारे ठुमके, तो लट्टू परोसन की भाभी हो गई। बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी, तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई। हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारे ठुमके, तो लट्टू परोसन की भाभी हो गई रे। रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे।
Great.
Thanks.
Wow. Excellent.
Excellent.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to our last song. And this is again one of the golden oldies, and we really love this song. So hope you guys enjoy it. Okay.
गजब का है दिन सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन देखो जरा हम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है कसम से कसम से कसम से कसम से देख लो हमको करीब से आज हम मिले हैं नसीब से देख लो हमको करीब से आज हम मिले हैं नसीब से ये पल फिर कहाँ और ये मंजिल कहाँ हो गजब का है दिल सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन देखो जरा तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है कसम से 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 कसम से
Amazing. Absolutely.
Very
lovely.
good. Excellent. Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Extraordinary, guys. Extraordinary.
Okay, I think.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
I think those are two of my favorite
Thanks,
songs.
Saptarshi, and thanks, Milton.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. After the wonderful performance, we'll move to our game 1, and the name of the game is Dictionary. Okay, so before we go to the next slide, with more information on the game, I will mention about some of the ground rules of the game. So we have distributed our members into 2 groups, but given that we have 12 to 13 participants, we will all be in only single group.
Yeah.
And we'll be sharing a link of the application on which we are going to play this game. And you have to join that link. You have to enter your name as a participant. And then once we all are in that game room, every member will get an opportunity to draw an object within 60 seconds. And the other members will have to choose the name of that object by typing in the chat box what is the correct object.
You will be given options, right? So you'll see some options on your screen. Out of those options, you select one of them, and then you draw it as quickly as you can. And the rest of the members guess it as quickly as they can. And the first one to guess it gets the maximum points. Of course, every correct answer gets some points.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have to be quick to get on the leaderboard.
Yeah, and the person who is drawing will also get points based on how quickly he can express the object by his drawing. And very strict rule, you cannot write the letters, the words, you can only draw the object. And if your turn comes, you will see 3 objects on the screen. You have to choose any one of the object and you can start the drawing. We'll have 3 rounds amongst us, and that means every member will get 3 opportunities to draw the object. Okay, so we are creating the link and sending in the Zoom chat box. You click on that and you'll go to the application directly. But don't forget to put your name, because the leaderboard board or the marks would be allocated based on the name which you give in the game.
Okay, great. So we'll all see you in the Pictionary room now.
Yeah, but keep watching the chat box of the Zoom for the link.
Yeah.
It's already there, the link, right?
No, we are going to share it now.
No, but it's a link.
There was a link in the email as well.
What is it we are supposed to do?
They will give an object which we have to.
No, but is this the object then?
Do we have to click on this link, scribble.io?
So hold on.
One moment. I'll send the link again.
Yeah, so now can you see the link in the chat box?
What?
In the Zoom chat box? Yeah.
Yes. Excuse me, can you, Ashok, can you explain? Did you do something right now, or we haven't started yet?
No, we haven't started yet. If you see the chat box, there is a link which is shared by Ashraf. If you click on that link, you'll go to a separate application on your laptop. The name of the application is Scribble.
Ashok,
Yeah, there you have to put your name.
Excuse me.
I have already put the name.
Mama, why are you here then?
Scribble.
You came back to this. Yeah, this is the one, right?
Yeah, this is the one. This is the one.
Is your name there, right? Ashok Darai Raja Irke.
Yeah.
But how come in some there is already some points?
It's a demonstration.
Don't smoke.
Just one moment. I'll just reshare the link again.
Yeah.
Just one moment. So it's convenient for everyone.
Exit the existing application. We'll reshare the link.
Oh dear. I lost everything.
Don't start. There are 3 rounds. देख ले एक बार.
1 minute. Yeah.
So 60 कर दे आराम से. Okay.
Then plain put.
फिर से copy कर. Enter.
Yeah.
Do we say play or create a private room?
No. So you have received another link. If you see there is a different link, you use that link, and then you have to join that link and select play. You will be entered into a room. It's a private room. You don't have to create. You just have to click play once you use the link. Second link.
I've entered the link. I've entered my name. It shows me some football game which is starting.
Yeah, that's okay. It's an advertisement. They are not the official sponsor of the event, but we have to bear with it.
But Prashant ji, you've done it correctly. We can see you here.
Yeah, you are in the room. So I'll call out the name of the people who are already there in the room: Ashraf, myself, Prashant, Nidhi, and Satish Iyer. Rest, if you are not, getting it, please let us know. We'll explain you.
I think so. We need to use the new link. Yeah, second link.
Yes, the second one, second link. Yeah, now we have Raghav as well in the room. Ashok ji, you're facing a difficulty?
No. We are okay.
Are we in the room or not?
Sanjeev ji
is there.
In the room. No, Ashok ji, you are not there. Ashok,
we are not there. How come?
No, you are not there yet.
Nikita Agrawal.
Okay. I'll close it.
We have to go back again. I think just bear with us.
There are actually so many links. It's
is also there.
Yeah, so many links. We don't.
The last link.
The last one.
I can see Devashish now.
Yeah. Devashish ji is there. Hardik has joined.
There's a person called Suitcase. I think that-
250.
Who is this guy? Suitcase?
Which is the last link that you said? What time was it?
Do you want me to just share it again?
Yeah, please. Because
Copy paste the same link and share it with you again. So this is the one that we are using. You would have seen it right now.
It is the last one.
Yeah.
The recent one.
The Zoom, don't go there. So.
In the Zoom.
This is the Zoom chat box. The Zoom chat box.
This
May I know
suitcase.
who is the- who is the
I don't know how the name is suitcase came.
Sorry, say that again.
With the name suitcase, I don't know how that name came automatically. I didn't
That's
select
okay,
it.
but it's you, so we know that it's a known member.
Yeah.
We didn't get we only got launch a meeting thing. We didn't get where is it going to?
No, so I'll explain again, Ashok ji. If you see the Zoom meeting in the Zoom chat box, if you see on the right hand side in the chat box, there are a couple of links which is shared by Ashraf. In the Zoom meeting itself.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Can I also share that in the WhatsApp group?
Please put it in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, we can share this link in WhatsApp group.
I've just done it. Huh? Scribble. Yeah.
Yeah, so Ashok ji, you can now click on that link and join. I think we only have one member slot available, and that is Ashok ji, because we have maximum limit of 12 members for this game, and we also have 12 members in the meeting.
Okay.
So once Ashok ji joins, we'll start.
What is that thing?
This is their advertisement.
Ashok ji, you are there. Okay, so now we will start the game. Okay, be ready with your touchpad and stylus or mouse. You'll only get 60 seconds to draw, but you'll get an idea about how to play the game once we are in the room. Yes, Ashraf, we can start.
Okay, great. All the best, everyone.
Thank you.
Ashok ji, you have to, and please don't say the word. You have to draw, but don't say the name of the word.
Okay.
Thank you.
Start drawing. Start drawing, yeah.
What will you do?
Yeah, you draw.
What do you want me to draw?
What you click this one.
அது எப்படி டிரா பண்ண முடியும் இந்த வேர்டு எனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாது.
Okay.
Everyone can start guessing simultaneously as well.
So someone is drawing and we need to guess and put the thing in the chat. Huh?
Yeah,
but in the chat of the application itself.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't call out the word. Otherwise, the participant would be disqualified.
We are waiting for the drawing.
So who has to draw?
Sanjeev ji.
Okay.
I don't know. Is it my? I didn't know it was my turn. Can I get to see the words again?
Now you have only 20 seconds left.
But I
think only you can see the words now.
I didn't know it was my turn. Oh.
Yeah, that's okay. Someone is drawing. Is it you?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
Benny, word was Benny.
Hey,
Okay, मेरा
where can we see the words?
So many words.
Hardik has to draw something, huh? I have typed something, but I don't know how this will this thing. Is there an enter button? River feels like.
I'm unmute now.
Devashishi, yeah.
I'm unmute.
I have to draw.
You'll join again, don't worry. No, you can join again na, from the same link.
So I have to write the word or tell the word?
Nothing. You need to keep silence, Devashishi.
Okay, okay.
Don't. We don't have to say the word. Keep playing.
Okay.
What was the word?
Next is Nikita Agarwal.
I joined the same room, na?
ঠিক আছে আমি যাচ্ছি করে নিই আমার টাইম নেই এখন দেখি টাইম এসে গেছে
Satish ji.
I didn't got the title wrong. How can it is down to
Hey, I was kicked out of that meeting.
You can join again. There would be connection issue.
Yeah, but now 45 seconds left for Satish ji to draw.
Yeah.
Come on, Satish ji.
Oh,
Good job. We have seen something getting the right.
hanger.
Don't say the word, please.
I can. Sorry.
Devashish, you have to draw.
So I'm not sure where should I type the word if I'm able to guess.
In the chat, in the game, Scribble's chat box, if you see on the right, people are typing.
No, I can see, but I don't see a enter button or a send button.
Just press on enter. Press on enter.
You have to press enter.
Okay.
Prashant T is choosing a word.
Yeah, so I do done. I'm doing from my mobile. Maybe that's the reason.
Yeah, that's the possibility.
Okay, not great. Yes.
To the
Great. I see a lot of people getting it. I'm happy about that.
Don't say that because time is gone. People will get the answer.
This is nice drawing.
Thank you.
The best of them all.
I'm leading. Yeah. Ashokji, your turn.
Ashokji, it's your turn.
We still have one more round to go, so people can catch up. लीडर को ध्यान रखना बाद में मैं बाद में दिखता है कि नहीं आई डोंट नो
Ashok ji,
Oh,
this
it was
was a
difficult.
difficult one. Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Is it my turn?
Yes, Sanjeev.
Yes, Sanjeev ji.
Okay. I'm done.
But it's not helping. Keep drawing. Keep drawing. Are you erasing it or?
No, I'm just using the right color to convey what actually the word is.
Okay. The right answer. Nikita is currently on.
Yes, indeed.
No. Oh. You could have done
Oh.
logo.
Yeah, it was apple red in color. I said I was using the. I said I was looking for the right color to convey the word.
Yeah,
so that
indeed.
was a good hint.
Yeah.
Hardik, you have to draw on the board.
Time is running out.
Do something else.
Oh,
Pharmacist. Oh, pharmacist. Okay.
Again,
Yeah.
Nikita.
You guys are close, but not that close. Today.
Oh God, that was.
Now we are moving to the last round, round 3. Yes. We have a close contest between Ashok Dorai Raja sir, Nikita, and Sanjeev ji.
Oh my God.
This is easy.
Yep.
Satish,
Yeah.
Works.
It's really tough. I did my best. Oh, okay. Smart.
Come on, guys.
It's a nicely done drawing, I must say.
Oh.
Ashok ji, you have to draw. You're done.
Everyone guys.
Yes. We had Ashok in the second winner and Ashok Patel. But it was fine. We all attend now in our Zoom meeting. Yeah.
We can't hear you. In the mode it. Yeah.
Ashok, who is the winner?
What are they doing? I don't understand. They are doing the results, I think.
Ashok ji.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes. Can you announce?
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Yeah, we'll quickly move to the last.
Ashok ji.
Yes.
Announce the winner.
I'm sorry.
Can you announce the winner?
Yeah, we just
yes.
did that.
Oh yes, of course. So Nikita is the winner of the game. She won the game with 3,900 points. Good job. That's amazing drawing and amazing guessing work. Fantastic. Very, very nice.
Excellent.
And Ashraf.
Myself. Thank you so much. And on third position we had Ashok.
Oh, good.
Felicity.
Great.
Yeah, and Debashish ji, I don't know how many of you submitted the Tombola ticket, but in the interest of time and because we had a very, very fun event and very engaging event, we never realized that we are almost, at the last couple of minutes of the session. So, Debashish ji, should we then stop at 5? And because of the interest of time, I think we will not have that much of the bandwidth to go ahead with the Tambola. But anyway, we had that as a surprise or an additional add-on.
Correct.
Yeah. So I would hand over the stage to you so that you can give us closing speech for a couple of minutes.
Okay, thanks Ashok, Ashraf, and thanks. First of all, thank you everyone for joining this event and making this successful. We have been trying to see to have as many as participants and fellow members from our fraternity, so that we can at least have a virtual Holi event. Although we actually plan to have a physical event, but unfortunately because of this restriction we could not do. And special thanks to Ashok ji for joining us and being with us always as a big support and guidance as always. So, and thanks everyone, including new members who are joining. At least we could see each other after a long time with this event, at least for some time, and enjoy together at least some festivity and some mood of happiness. And I hope that the coming year, this 2021 and 22 would bring some different and better life, and our life becomes better as compared to last year, which we have crossed through, like the beautiful colors of Holi. So with a note that bringing our future life with more colors and making it more beautiful, I would like to thank everyone on behalf of the managing committee and the working committee of the ICAI Netherlands chapter. Happy Holi, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks for organizing.
Good evening and have a very happy Holi to everyone. I hope you all had a good time, and it was a pleasure having you all. Thank you.
And special thanks to Ashraf and Ashok ji, Ashraf ji, Prashant ji, and Vikas ji, and everyone for being so supportive and conducting this entire show. And it's a very good group we have now, and we hope we can come up with more interactive events moving forward. And let's all hope to meet and have a physical event as we had in 2019. So let's all pray for it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Fijne avond allemaal.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.